Make sure to go buy your raffle tickets. It's time to go to see Jimmy Buffett on October 22nd. That's what I'm thinking. Tiki time. One, two, three, four. Thank God the tiki torch does shine. Thank God the tiki bar is open. Come on in and open up your mouth. One more time. God the tiki bar is open. Thank God the tiki torch does shine. Thank God the tiki bar is open. Come on in and open up your mind. I was on leave of absence, but don't resent this new reality. I felt like along to the wild blue yonder, bound to pour down in Kennedy. Heading to His Majesty's Court Hotel, where the sign said, praise His name. I was shining alone, I didn't do too well, but I knew that I wasn't to blame. Thank God the tiki bar is open. Thank God the tiki torch does shine. Thank God the tiki bar is open. Come on in and open up your mind. Well, his name was Captain Adam Troy, and he sailed the Kon-Tiki. Well, the captain's gone, and he won't be forgotten in his life, will you never see. Well, Linux Dungo, living all in my mind. Thank God the tiki bar is open. Thank God the tiki torch does shine. Thank God the tiki bar is open. Come on in and open up your mind. Saxophone, baby. Josh on the drums, give me a hand, go! Pajama rolled out of bed, ran to the police station. He began to shout and stall the investigation. It was against the law, against the law, against the law. What mama saw, it was against the law. Looked down and spit on the ground of the diamond naked mansion. My mama said, oh, let me get that phone, singing with nice and attention. He's on his way. I don't know where I'm going. On my way. He's on his way. Every time I'm on the way. To my road. Singing the queen of the road. Yeah. Seeing Julio down by the schoolyard. Julio down by the schoolyard. Seeing Julio down by the schoolyard. Julio down by the schoolyard. Seeing Julio down by the schoolyard. Julio down by the schoolyard. Seeing Julio down by the schoolyard. Julio down by the schoolyard. We should count it sometime. No, don't.
No, don't count it.
Might not be good. So everybody, we'd like to once again remind you our Orange County Parrot Club is back there and they're giving away, they're selling tickets, $5, and you can win the chance to get 2 tickets to Jimmy Buffett. Hey, how you doing? Jimmy Buffett at Verizon for their final night, October 22nd. You can get those tickets at $5 a piece. And then, and if you get a membership in the Parrot Club, they're free. So, once again, they go to benefit
For some people, that's 2 tickets to paradise.
Heroes Home Veterans Foundation. Don't forget, that's where it all goes. So, good goes to a good cause. So, if anything, just to buy some raffle tickets, just to help out. We'll do something called the Coconut Telegraph. It goes like this. Paulie, give me some Zydeco.